Okay, this is how you check for peripheral pulses. First of all, you palpate the radial pulses on both limbs. Okay, after that, you move on to the femoral. You palpate the femoral pulses on both sides. Okay, after that, you quickly ask the patient to flex the lower limbs at the knee. Okay, and you place your hand just inside the popliteal fossa and you palpate for the popliteal pulse. Then next up, you place your hand in the first intertarsal space, just between the first and second intertarsal, first and second tarsal bones, and you palpate for the dorsalis pedis pulse. And that's how you check for peripheral pulses.